All right, in this video, we're going to go over the Merch by Amazon FAQ. Now, if you haven't read this entire thing, it's about 4 pages long. Um, there's a resources tab up at the top. We'll scroll up just for. There's a resources tab here. You're going to go to it and then hit FAQs here. What we're going to go through on this FAQ is the most important part right here. If you want to pause the video, do it now so you can read through this, because we're going to be going over a couple really important parts here that are going to help your listing stand out, but you have to make sure you play by the rules here. So, getting right into it. There's some big no-nos like email addresses, URLs, phone numbers. You can't do any of that. There's no profanity. Reviews. You can't write your own reviews. You can't talk about the quality of the product, the fit of the product, where the product is made, that Amazon Prime ships it. There's a lot of no-no. You can't say that it's glow in the dark or 3D, and you can't say that there's going to be proceeds going to like a certain organization, like a cancer society. You can't say all proceeds will be donated to a cancer society, even if that's what you want to do. You can't do it because they can't guarantee that, and they don't want to mislead their customers. So yeah, basically all that's in here. But and also here's one of the other major ones: artwork with a low design quality, including blurry images, low resolutions, or misspelled words. That's not going to be accepted. So this is basically something they added to cover, um, you know, cover Amazon's butt for people who are abusing the system. Keyword stuffing is another one that I forgot, but that's on there too. So why are we going over this? Because throughout this module, it's going to be important on how you use your title, how you use your brand, how you use your keywords, and how you're maximizing your keywords throughout it. However, you want to make sure that you're not stuffing, keyword stuffing listings is really bad. One of the biggest things you see, it's a huge turnoff when you look at a product page, because that's all you see is keywords basically once you scroll down underneath the title. It doesn't look good to a buyer. It's not going to help you out, and probably in the future Amazon will do something that to their algorithm that'll make that harm you. So play by the rules. That's the number one. That is why I'm putting this in this course, the FAQ, because I want to remind you guys to play by the rules. Some shirts can be very lucrative. If you're targeting a movie, a video game, a TV series, a football team, stuff like that, they can seem very lucrative, but you don't want to chase. You don't want to chase the unicorn here. Stay with what works, and I'm gonna show you how to find niches that will work for you without breaking Amazon's terms of service, because ultimately, your account is number one. You're already invested in this course with me, so you can grow your account. So you don't want to lose it. So we're gonna go over ways that we're playing by the rules and how we can grow accounts by playing on Amazon's field.